Okay, magbablog tayo. Pinaligaw dito sa Modesto, eh, no? Stallon Loft ba? Stallon? Oh, Stallon Loft. Tirador ng Jollibee. Busog na busog kami sa pa-Jollibee niya. Okay, so nandito kami kay Skyloft. Sinama ko siya para makita naman niya yung loft dito. Ayan siya, oh. Ano masahe mo?
Okay, panalo. Sulit ang biyahe.
Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. May mga puti pa si Skyloft, oh.
Mga ano niyan?
Bill, magpapaamot ka ba rito? Magpapaamot ka ba? Hoy, pala eh.
Gusto mo of color?
Ah,
Kaso mga ano to, mga testing lang. Pinabreed nila, ayaw nilang kunin yung mga singsing ano. Ito anak ng palipad kung gusto mo. Yung mga singsing ano lang eh. Hindi kasi may lilipad eh. Parang laruan lang talaga.
pero may ano yan, hindi racing pigeon kaso yung nilagay niyang ring. Naubos kasi yung ring.
Video ka pa ba?
Wala, naka-pause na
Hindi
yun.
ako nag-ano eh.
Ayan, oh, si Skyloft, oh. Bigyan mo ng mga pangmalupitan mong ano dyan. Pinagkakaperahan. Ayan, oh. Masulit biyahe ni Robert. Ayan, oh, sa mahilig sa aso, ayan, oh. Alaga ni Orville Malvar. Ayan, oh. Ito yung loft niya, pakalaki. Ito yung ginak namin last time. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, si Skyloft lang ang sakalam, oh. Ayan nga natin loob. Maluwag pa pala yung kulungan niya. Maluwag pa. Ang import namin, tulog na tulog pala yun, no? Si Sky. Tulog si Sky. Okay, ganito ang panahon sa Modesto. Hindi ko alam kung umaraw kanina. Umaraw ba kanina? Umaraw daw saglit. Ayan, nagpakawala siya ng isang ibon, oh. Naghahanap ng ano, oh. Ng mapanririgalo. Nagulpi-digulat siya, oh. Ayan, oh.
Talaga may T-box na lahat.
Ayan, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo mga kalapati niya. Yan, meron siyang FMT birds dito. Ewan ko ano yan. May iba pang young birds siya dito. Ayan, no. So, dito siya nagbi-breed. Okay. So, hindi na natin papasukin yan. At madali ang video lang to. Okay. O, yan. Tingnan natin bibigay ni Skyloft sa kanya. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Masaya na may mama, oh. May masayang mama. Ayun. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Yun. Gaganda ng ibon. Ayun, oh. Ang sagad ng ngiti ni ano, oh. Liberto, oh. Ano yan? Money winner ng Big Andy daw?
Opo.
Skyloft lang, oh. Oh. Ano masasabi mo dyan sa bago mo laruan?
Solid. Panalo.
Teka, huwag kang mag-alala. Magkakaroon ka rin ng magandang kalapati balang araw, ha? Huwag kang mag-alala. Ayaw magpa-video ni Skyloft. Ayan, no? Oh, ayan. Kukuha kami ng epekto sa bahay niya. Para dito, ayan, no? Ayan, no? Shoutout kay, ano ba? Amiel ba? Kay Amiel. Huwag kang mag-alala. Darating din ang araw, magkakaroon ka magandang kalapate, ha? Alam mo na. Okay, so we're here at Liang Loft here in Modesto, California. Is it Modesto or still series?
Modesto.
Modesto, yeah. Look at that. What are you holding? Kuya Jay?
When you gave me the checker.
Is it Lee Hermans?
Yeah, this is the Jerry's.
350, right? I know. The sibling of the
Look at that, man.
49. Reduce.
This I give you the somebody for you keep making the other one. Yeah.
Cross it.
This you know this for the long fly the long distance.
I'm with
Yeah.
Skylo,
400.
Liang, and
More than
JMC
350,
Law.
More than 350.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're good with
This is very good.
You sending to Crooked River this year?
Yeah. This is yeah.
How
This
many?
Not, this is not easy.
Those two birds are
Six?
11 flights.
This is the wholesale maybe I think the 8.
It's cheaper, huh?
Yeah,
It's
I
cheaper.
check it. Yeah.
150. Maybe I said 3 or 4. We'll see. For these guys.
Number 2.
That's the winner.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is the 400.
Skylo's holding the
So and
bird
that's the
from
that's
Jerry's
the
Law.
mother.
Yeah, this is mother.
Okay.
Money race winner.
Last year did that? What did you get
Money
out of that one
winner
last year?
for
Last
Is
Liang
that
Lo.
first time breeding?
Yeah, for them this is the young
So,
one. This is
I think ito yung hen. And that one is the is that the sibling, the other one?
No,
Or
it's
the
not
father?
sibling, but they're both winners from Jerry's.
yeah.
Both winners
This
from
is the father
Jerry's.
over there. Later, maybe for egg. Later, I take off. You,
Golden Band has
yeah.
Strong birds. Where does this guy go?
So I think the parents is over there, the one down there.
I show you the.
Ganda, luwag.
Yung mga ano natin, mga kalapatids.
Look at that.
Konti na lang, pilim-pili. Pilim-pili.
I like the idea, you know. Yung hagdan. Yung hagdan. Simpleng simple. Kaya lang
Barley lang,
sayang
barley.
space. Yeah.
Right now, I keep the this the you see the Flora for the 379 same the this same father same mother.
Ano?
This one.
Okay.
That one?
The drink?
Yeah, this girl. This one.
Who's your
Rebad.
ace bird?
That one? This one's the ace bird? This one?
Yeah, this is same the father same. I Greek the 379. You see the number?
379, yeah.
Who's this, my friend? The one with the red, ano?
Kapatid mo
Which
sa
one?
akin.
The one with
Yeah, yung
the
379. No?
This fly the.
crooked.
Ganda.
I see.
Ace Pigeon
This
from
is
Hoosier
the-
Classic.
Caroline.
It's 2025, right?
Yeah. For the sign off.
Out of
S-U-N.
Oh,
379.
Yeah.
Winner, no?
263. Both three.
I show you.
Related
I wanna
to
see the
Lee
first,
Boggs.
The red band.
Okay. This bro. You later you check the phone number. I cable the one. This the
Look at those birds. guys.
October. No. This
That one is from the Crooked River.
July making outside.
Okay.
You know.
Talino.
Later baby. Cable.
Picasso bird from Liang Lo. Kak. Sobrang laki ng katawan. Okay, abangan nyo yung i-upload natin mamaya. Hindi natin natapos pero may nakuha tayong konting mga clips para makita nyo yung pinuntahan namin kanina. Okay? Yan siya. Napakagandang ibon. Punong-puno ng muscle. Napakalakas na ibon. Okay? Pero according to him, para tong si yung mga lahi ng apple cider, pagka red, pang breed. Pag blue check, pang breed. Sa kanya, pag out of red, pag blue check, pang race. Dito naman, out of blue check, dapat blue bar yung i-race mo. Okay? So, yung full sib niya, na kay JMC Loft. Okay? Ayan, pinagtigisahan namin dalawa. Ayan. Para makita nyo yung kinuha natin. Ayan. Napakagandang ibon. Sana maganda rin ang gawin dito sa loft natin ito. Okay? So, nag-vaccine lang tayo ng Mycoplasma at saka Salmonella sa kanya. Kasi galing naman siya sa OLR. So, updated ang vaccine ito, especially sa PMV. Okay? So, yan. Alam niyo na.